Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your infotainment screen theme on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to the screen on the right side of your steering wheel. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look on the screen like this. And then once you're here, all you need to do, guys, is go to settings here in the bottom. Once you go here to settings, you're going to find all of the settings of your car, personal infos, Bluetooth and devices, general, display, Wi-Fi, and so on. Go ahead and click on display and make sure you select screen. And then here in the right, you're going to find display, and here under mode, you're going to find automatic. So basically, guys, your theme is set based on the time and the ambient light on your car. If you want to set it manually, just click disable, and then here you can change between the day time or night time from light to dark mode. If you want to switch to dark mode, as you can see, guys, it will look like this. So I'm going to keep it on automatic, and this is it, guys, for today's video. See you guys in the next video.